the Camaro. I did some work to the engine. I bought a Gale Banks turbocharger kit and put it on there. And my dad drove it once and he said, boy, this is great. He says, build me one. Build me a Caprice Classic. So I said, okay. So I went out and I bought a Caprice. And I took the motor out of the Camaro and I put it in the Caprice. Then, of course, I built something stronger for the Camaro. So we were at about 500 or 600 horsepower with both cars. And my dad said, let's go to El Mirage. So I called Dean Moon. I said, well, I have a couple of cars I want to try. Well, he says, if you run less than 125 miles an hour, he said, you can run as many times as you want. But if you run over 125 miles an hour, you must have roll bars in it. You must have a drive shaft loop. I don't know how fast these cars run. They're going to run faster than 125 miles an hour. I know that. Well, then you get one run. So my dad and I drive out there one Sunday morning, and he's driving a Caprice, and I'm driving a Camaro. He goes through first with a Caprice, and he runs 159 miles an hour with his four-door Caprice, with, stock tires, hubcaps, everything else. And then I follow up at 167 with a Camaro, right? So when we get the tickets, it's pretty good. And we drive home. So the next day I get a call from Dean. He tells me, oh, these guys, you really made a lot of enemies. I said, I told you we're going to run fast. I didn't know how fast. He said, well, yeah, but you don't even pull in the pits, say hello to anybody or anything else, all your old friends. You're too high class. You just drive away, leave away. I said, well, we saw the times. What were we supposed to do? He said, well, you broke the record. He says, the Camaro by 3 miles an hour, and you're half a mile an hour below the record in a Caprice. And I said, well, what are we supposed to do? Go back in and say, what are you guys doing here? I mean, we were having fun here. This is all we were doing, just to have fun.
Once again, a Granatelli drives their race car to the racetrack.